So today we've created a fun summer look.
So stay tuned to see how we created these fun, colourful looks. All the products will be mentioned throughout the video. So yeah, stay tuned.
Glow life.
I'll start off by spraying my face with my favourite
I've never actually used this one.
Oh my gosh,
I want to try it.
Let me spray it. So I'm just hydrating. I'm just hydrating our face. Oh.
I'm actually feeling really fresh, and I think it's one of those things that I can use during the day.
Yeah,
like you can just top up as well. NARS Orgasm. Is this called orgasm?
Yeah, it is actually called orgasm. Maybe you have an orgasm after you
wow. Glow life.
Oh, can you actually see the glow?
Oh, for me, like color correcting is a must. I've got all this pigmentation, scarring, and I just love to like even out my skin tone. I've been loving using the Nip and Fab terracotta.
I'm just gonna go straight in with my L'Oreal True Match foundation. I've just recently been introduced to this and it's been so good so far. It's pretty cheap, you know, quite lightweight, perfect for this weather.
I'll be using the Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation. This has been my current favorite. Concealer.
My current favorite, obviously all-time favorite, this affordable little baby LA Girl Pro
gotta love LA Girl.
You gotta love LA Girl.
Baby, the NARS, the Radiant Creamy Concealer, and I'm gonna be using it in the shade Caramel. I love how it's like women, whenever we're blending our concealers, like we're just beating our face.
Literally.
If we could get bruises, like imagine if these sponges were so hard.
I think there's some like internal bruising inside. So the next step, we're going to set our concealer. So it's very, very important that you do this step. Do not skip it, whatever happens, because obviously you've just used creams and you have to set them with a powder. Using, obviously, my favorite all-time baby, Laura Mercier.
I'm going to be using the Motives baking powder, and this is in the shade Banana. Sandra is using a sponge. I actually like to go in with a brush. It's so weird now because I can't even go back to the sponge. I remember the other day I was doing my makeup and I'd forgotten my brush and I had to go into the sponge. Listen, I was like, what is this? What is this? It looks so flawless with the sponge. Yes. Have you tried using the brush?
No, I've never tried using the brush. I just feel like the sponge just holds it properly and then I'm just able to dab, dab, dab.
We're just setting the rest of our face. I'm using the Black Opal medium powder.
Using the MAC mineralized skin finish in deep dark. I'm just basically setting the whole face.
Setting the whole face. So next up, we're gonna be adding color to our face and dimension, and we're gonna be using the
Superdrug
BB bronzer. This is life. You bronze. Add some color.
Add some color.
So we are looking summer ready. Our skin is looking radiant.
We're gonna go straight to our eyes. We're gonna start with our eyebrows.
Eyebrows on fleek, girl.
Eyebrows on fleek. They need to be on fleek. I'm gonna be using my NYX micro brow pencil.
Me too.
Oh.
I like to do brow strokes. So like I'll fill in the bottom first, and then I go in with like light hair strokes. So upwards, literally just filling in the gaps.
But eyebrows are meant to be sisters, not twins.
Okay, so now we're gonna go into the eyes. We're feeling a bit colorful, so we're gonna go in with these two palettes. We're gonna be using the Makeup Shayla Perception palette
and the Mix and Blend The Artist Volume 1. It's so pigmented.
It's so pigmented, trust me. It's so pigmented. Shayla palette, when I've been traveling, I've just been loving it because the colors, they just literally everything that you need in one palette. You know, if you want to do nighttime, you've got your colors. If you want to do a daytime look,
and that is so Shayla.
So Shayla.
She loves that whole.
Anyway, you know Shayla's our cousin, so.
Oh yeah, you know. Our cousin Shayla. God, it's so pigmented.
Oh my god, I've never actually seen you do a color like this. This looks so good. This looks so good.
I'm loving this so far.
Woo. I went with that Tuscan one. Jesus.
Oh my god.
That looks so good. I didn't know you'd be scared of color.
Guys,
That looks so good.
yeah, with me, it's either a dark smoky eye or a gold smoky eye.
Yep. I feel very colourful.
So do I. I'm scared.
You see?
Cousin Shayla. Listen, cuz.
Is it? So nice. Hello, baby. Now that the eye look is almost complete, we're gonna add lashes, and then that is gonna be our look complete. Okay, so lashes are on. Lashes are on.
I'm gonna be using my new favorite sort of subtle highlight, which is Glow With It by MAC. It's so pretty.
Ooh. And I'm gonna be using Makeup Shayla Pose. Oh, blinding. I love it. Glow Life. So we're gonna do our lips now, and I have to go with a nude lip, guys, because my eyes are like really popping. What are you going for?
I'm gonna mix these two
Okay.
to make like a pinky purpley
Nice.
thing going on. I don't know yet.
In this nude lip from Nip and Fab, and it's called Cinnamon. I have to use this. Look at this. It's a shimmer down. It's a lip topper from NYX.
It does look pretty.
Oh my god.
I'm taking that.
No, you're not.
Okay.
Oh my god, we're lit! So next up, we're gonna add some glow for the body. In the Body Shop Honey Bronze.
With my body glow.
Body glow. The finished look. I love the finished result. I feel
Yeah,
like
so do I.
I could actually do your lip on my look as well, and you could do it vice versa,
Yeah.
and depending on the mood you're feeling.
Yeah.
But guys, what do you think? Should Sandra do more colourful looks? Oh, what do you do? Do you like
No,
it?
to be honest, I really like it. Like, it's thrown me completely out of my comfort zone, but I actually love it.
But yeah, guys, let us know what you think. Do you want to see any more of these kind of videos from both of us? And if you do, then definitely like this video. And yeah,
Comment. Send us a DM.
Send us a
and just
DM.
let us know if you want to see more, and then yeah, we'll give you some more. We'll give the people what they want.
giving people what they want.
So until next time, guys.
Girl, my boy say he want marry me. I hope say sabi kuku watch. Hope your love goes sweet past the shit.